Trump is the anti-Obama on every issue except Syria. You know, the fact is, if we were prepared to put, in a sense, and convey a much tougher message to the Russians, then Putin would have a choice to make. Putin does not want us to appear to be an arbiter there. He wants to be the arbiter. So my answer to your question is, yes, I think we could do more. I think we need to have an anti-Iranian, or at least a counter-Iranian strategy in Syria. We do not yet have that. Maybe we will. Maybe the Trump administration will adopt that policy. They haven't yet.
Do you think Russia will actually listen to a U.S. threat on that level, especially given Russia's military foothold these days in Syria?
Yes. One thing about Vladimir Putin, he calculates the risks very carefully. If he was a really big risk taker, you wouldn't see him go into different kinds of conflicts, starting with little green men. Right. Those are completely deniable. Someone who is very confident about what's going to happen in the next step doesn't do that. This is the way he tests what the possible reaction will be. And if there's no pushback, well, then he takes advantage of it.
And keep moving that line a little bit farther. Ambassador Dennis Ross, great to have you with us.